Now that you're familiar with the general layout and user interface in CAMWorksXpress, I'll show you how to begin programming in CAMWorksXpress. After loading the part, we need to define the stock in the Stock Manager. There are two ways to define the stock. First is the bounding box method, and second is the extruded sketch method. When the bounding box is selected, CAMWorksXpress will create a rectangle just large enough for the part to fit into. If there is any other shape other than a rectangle required to create the stock, then create a sketch in SOLIDWORKS and select the second method for defining the stock. The next step is to define the tools and the post-processor to be used. These are defined in the Machine Definition dialog box. An additional tool can be defined using the Toolcrib tab. This tool can also be saved in the library. The post-processor that will be used to post the operations needs to be defined in the Post-Processor tab. When you look at this part, you'll see there are many holes. There are countersinks, counterbores, through holes, blind holes. The diameter of the holes are different. There are also holes that will require a different setup on the machine. We'll take advantage of CAMWorks Automatic Feature Recognition, or AFR technology, to define the holes, countersinks, counterbores, and threads automatically. To start the process, I'll click on the Extract Machinable Features command, and CAMWorksXpress will now automatically recognize all of the hole features in this model. The features will be displayed one at a time. The first is a hole feature, with the strategy as drill. The second is a hole group. AFR has grouped the same size and type of holes together and automatically recognized the threads defined in SOLIDWORKS and has selected the strategy as thread. Here's a group of counterbore holes. Again, you'll see it has grouped similar holes together. And there are holes that are recognized using AFR that will require a different setup for machining. After recognizing the features, we need to generate the operations for these features. To do this, we'll use the Generate Operation Plan command. To calculate the operations, let's click on the Generate Operations Plan command. CAMWorksXpress has now automatically generated all of the operations using the strategies defined in the technology database. This concludes this video. To continue the programming process, go to the next video, and thank you for your interest in CAMWorksXpress.